Hello everyone, myself Sujit MS.
My name is Edwin C. Desan.
And I am Neha Shri and we are from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Karnataka, India. Here we have a project Wastinator that segregates waste on the basis of their dry, wet or metallic characteristics. Now how does this help fight climate change? Whenever waste is disposed together, it might not be by the specific methods of disposal and end up creating pollutants that are responsible for climate change. Now, if we segregate waste at the source itself and send them to their proper methods of recycling, it will end up reducing the pollutant level by a significant margin.
The components that we have used over here is an Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, solid power sensor, LCD display, motor driver, DC motor, servo motor, and the entire structure has been 3D printed by using PLA and is also eco-friendly.
So let's see how this Wastinator works. Let's power the system. Using USB port, we are powering the Arduino, and through 12-volt adapter, we are powering motors and servo motors. So we've taken a plastic as a dry waste and we'll put it, and it's showing dry waste. We have taken a wet cloth as a wet waste and we'll put it here, and it's showing wet waste. Finally, we have taken aluminum foil as a metal waste and we will check that one. So let's check all the three different types of waste are segregated properly. Yeah. So three different waste are segregated into three different parts. So this is the waste segregating part and this is the circuit part. All the components are inside this 3D printed body. Once the box is filled, you can change the container. The logic behind the working of this project is mainly the moisture sensor will detect if the object is dry or wet. The data is fed into Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano will give signal to servo motor to turn at a particular angle like 0 degree, 90 degree or 180 degree. And conducting wires will act as a switch here. When metal is conducted, it gives 0 value, and when it is not metal is not detected, it will give 1 value. So by that data, we will get to know at what angle we have to turn the servo motor, and through ultrasonic sensor we will get to know the waste is there or not. If the waste is there, it will open and close the lid using DC motor.
The challenges that we faced in this project was the sensors that had to determine the waste simultaneously. So how we solved that problem was to add delays, and the values are determined based on trial and error. And the other problem was that the design was supposed to be small so that the waste can fit in. So it took us 3-4 trials before we could get the perfect design, which was most feasible for us.
So, thank you.
Hope you enjoyed the video.